Welcome to Newton Nissan. We're going to cover setting up Bluetooth on a 2018 Nissan Rogue Sport. In particular, I have a iPhone 8, so let me first go here and make sure that my Bluetooth is set to on. Okay. Then over on the radio, you'll notice the tune scroll and an enter setting button right here. I'm going to press that. I'm going to go to Bluetooth. I'm going to go to Add Phone.
The system is searching for your phone. Using your handset, look for a Bluetooth device called My Car.
Pressing that on the phone.
Please confirm the PIN matches using the handset.
Hitting pair. Contacts and favorites. You would want to allow that if you want those features. Okay. All right. And it really is just that easy. So not difficult at all. And of course, you'd want to have your Bluetooth on so that when you come back to your car, it'll automatically link up for you. So with that, you can stream in music if you want. Okay. For example, you could download the Pandora app and so forth to stream in your music, and of course you can also make phone calls after you pair your phone right off of your steering wheel. Okay, so there's to place a call and there's to end a call as well. So again, very easy to pair a phone to a 2018 Nissan Rogue.